John Lloyd Espinal Cruz, born June 24, 1983, is a Filipino actor. Regarded as the king of contemporary cinema by the media, Cruz has top-billed several box office successes. He has more than 10 films with box office grosses of Philippine peso 100 million in the Philippines. CNN describes Cruz as the quintessential image of the contemporary leading man. He began acting at the age of 15 and has over 30 productions to his credit. A breakthrough role on the soap opera Katagol Kong Hinintay, where he first started working with actress and frequent co-star Bea Alonzo, followed his starring role in the well-known Filipino TV drama Tabing Ilig, which he appeared in as a teenager. With around 80 awards won throughout his career, including Tafamas Awards and Tagawad Urian Awards, Cruz is one of the most awarded Filipino actors in the business. He was the first Filipino and Southeast Asian actor to receive the Star Asia Award at the New York Asian Film Festival NYAFF. He was the fifth highest-grossing Filipino actor in the 2010s decade, raking over a total of $2.3 billion in box office receipts. His 2015 film, A Second Chance, grossed over $556 million, which makes it one of the highest-grossing Philippine films in history. John Lloyd Espinal Cruz is the youngest child of Lucito Laura and Aida Espinal Cruz. He was called by the nickname Aiden among his family and some close friends. Cruz finished his grade school at Marikina Catholic School in 1996. He was later discovered by a talent scout in a mall while hanging out with friends to watch Magic Temple. Due to his father's failing marble business, Cruz decided to enter showbiz to help his family recover from financial problems. He first appeared in GMA Public Affairs' reenactment legal talk show Compacero, Y Campanera, followed by the crime and investigative series called Vento Files. This was followed by several guest appearances and shows. At age 14, Cruz became a member of ABS-CBN Star Magic, where he became an alumnus of Batch 5. He was also a member of the then-teen trio called Coolits with Baron Geisler and Mark Solis. Cruz has been also recognized as one of 3 honorees of the Star Asia Award at the 15th New York Asian Film Festival NYAFF. He is the first Filipino and Southeast Asian actor to receive the honor. He joins Hong Kong's Miriam Young and South Korea's Lee Byung-hun, all box office stars in their own countries, as that year's recipients of the award. Cruz won the Bocalino Dora Prize, or Golden Jug Award, for Best Actor for his lead role in Lav Diaz's Essential Truths. Of the Lake 76th Locarno Film Festival on August 11, 2023. Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 Vlogs.